I'm going to show you how to track a lost or stolen Android tablet, but for any of this to work, there's a few settings that need to be enabled. Usually these are on by default, but it's always good to double check these. Go to Settings and scroll down to Google. You'll see Recommended Services and All Services. Go to All Services, and from there you can scroll down until you find the Find Hub, which is under Personal and Device Safety. This needs to be on for you to be able to track your tablet. If you're using a Samsung tablet, Samsung has their own app for tracking your devices. In the settings, you can go to Security and Privacy, and from there, go to Lost Device Protection. Make sure Find My Mobile is enabled. There's a separate toggle for offline finding and sending last location, and I highly recommend turning those on as well. If you've lost your tablet, you can then track it either by Google's tracker or Samsung's own system. They both have mobile apps for this, but you can also do this directly through a web browser on any device. Doesn't matter whether that's a phone, computer, or another tablet. To use Google's tracker, you'll go to google.com/android/find, then log in with your Google account and you'll see the tablet or its last known location. You'll see the current battery level, Wi-Fi network, if it's connected to any, and you can play a sound or mark your device as lost. My map here is zoomed out because I don't want to show my home address to everyone, but the location on the map is actually really accurate. If you want to use Samsung's tracker, you can go to samsungfind.samsung.com. Log in with your account and you'll see the tablet here. This one actually has a lot of useful functions you can trigger right through the web browser. You'll see the exact location, you can play a sound, extend the battery life by shutting off unnecessary apps, write a message that will be shown on the lock screen, or even restart the tablet remotely to make sure all your data is encrypted. Both of these do a great job tracking your devices, but I've noticed that sometimes Google's tracker doesn't work when I'm using it through Safari on my Mac. So if yours isn't working for some reason, try a different browser, or try locating your device using the mobile app, if you have another device you can use for that. And that's how you track your tablet. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.